Launching a website without spending $1 is more achievable than ever in 2026. Exceptional free tools now pave the way for creativity, functionality, and innovation, regardless of skill level. Start with Figma, a cloud-based platform for real-time collaboration, wireframes, and sleek interfaces, all for free. Canva Web offers intuitive drag-and-drop elements and thousands of templates for every style. Framer's free plan lets you design and publish code-free, interactive sites with effortless animations. Pempot delivers open-source, flexible design features for fast prototyping and transparent collaboration. Mobarize enables anyone to assemble mobile-friendly websites using pre-made blocks and simple exporting. With these powerful, no-cost resources, the biggest barrier is simply deciding where to begin. Consider your goals, collaboration, unique branding, or fast launch. The right tool is ready to transform your ideas into a vibrant online presence. Take the leap. Your next website is just a click away.